What's up guys, my name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. We are on site doing a maintenance detail on this minivan. Now, if you're interested in the video, the first initial video where we coated this minivan, check out the card in the description or up in the corner, and let's see how well this van has held up. We polished it with Carpro Essence, and then we coated it with Carpro UK Edition, Cquartz UK Edition 3.0. Of course, all the plastics were hit and all the wheels were also treated. And I don't know how many months. I'll put it up on the screen. I have to research it and see how many months it's been since we did that. And let's see how it's holding up. If you guys are enjoying videos like this, and I hope you are, consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss stuff. Let's get started.
This Toyota Sienna is a kid hauler and a family vehicle. It sees lots of drive time, but it also sleeps in the garage, which makes a huge difference when it comes to the durability of any paint protection. So for our maintenance service, we don't need to go through the whole APC rinsing stages. We simply pre-rinse, foam, and contact wash. You can tell how hydrophobic the Cquartz UK Edition coating is. This was filmed a few months ago, so now the coating is past the 2-year mark and is still performing incredibly well. The paint and the trim are beading and sheeting as it should. The paint is also still very slick to the touch, and washing it is a breeze. The wheels obviously took a hit because of the heat, but the coating was still hanging on a little. So a little mist of 303 touchless sealant was sprayed on and rinsed off to add to the protection.
So guys, after the wash, we use lithium double tap, and it's an awesome shampoo for coatings. You can see it rinses clean, and it's beading all the way to the bottom. Down here it's sheeting a little bit, so it is starting to degrade down here, but otherwise incredible. So we refresh the wheels with 303 touchless sealant, and now we're going to use Ignite After Wash. So this has polymers and SiO2, great to use as a topper.
That's nice.
It's going to add gloss, slickness, and top the protection. Well, we just finished, and the perils of a mobile detailer, it just started raining. Just a little bit, nothing crazy, no downpour, just a little sprinkle. So we gotta dry all the paint and glass again really quickly, but the results are awesome. So my wife informed me, I think we're over a year on the protection here, and this is just one layer of Cquartz UK Edition 3.0. So pretty impressed. And the trim looks incredible. Now granted, yes, it stays in a garage, but it is a family vehicle, so it is used quite often. So that's great. I'm really happy with the quality of the coating and the durability on it. It is awesome. It's so easy to clean, and it just makes maintaining the vehicle a breeze. So yeah, if you're interested in coatings, then this is the benefit. Ease of maintenance. The gloss is amazing. It stays cleaner longer. So many benefits to a ceramic coating. So guys, that's going to do it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. And if you're interested in those products, the lithium double tap and the ignite as a maintenance shampoo and topper, then check out the links down below and you can grab them for yourselves if you so choose. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care.